Good afternoon, everybody, and sorry for the connection. My service is not too strong. Um, so this afternoon we'll be talking about the effectiveness of AI tools on productivity, how it enhances work efficiency in the digital age. Then, first of all, we have to introduce uh, about what is AI, introduction of AI in work. The first thing is the definition of artificial intelligence, which is AI. It refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing image and speech, learning from experience or from source data, solving problems, then decision making. Then a brief history on AI in workplace. Initially, we have this history started from the 90s, but I just had to unpick the previous and the existing ones that we still have in terms of AI in workplace. So in the 2010s, machine learning booming in terms of explosion of machine learning and big data in terms of maybe creating more um, larger space for artificial intelligence to enter the workspace. AI used in chatbots, recommendations engine, HR software, and predictive analysis. Most of these HR analysis, AI analysis that we use in HR and in some technical parts of maybe of some software, they were being introduced to workplace in the 2010s in terms of the accounts, in terms of the CRM and everything. Then workplace impact, widespread adoption to customer service, marketing and operations. So most of these auto-generated AI reply from maybe from a particular company, we are using AI to reply a particular response from a customer. Most of these existence of AI being brought in the 2010s. So in the 2020s, let me say at this era of where we are now, generative AI and intelligence automation. The AI improvement in workplace has already improved far better than the 2010s in terms of the ChatGPT, the personal AI languages that we use and the workplace AI. Rise of generative AI in terms of the ChatGPT and advanced natural language processing. Not like this particular app, they do call it Duolingo. If you want to learn multiple languages, maybe in a range of a month. So this AI has already advanced to that extent that it makes everything easy. AI tools help with writing, coding, design, data analysis, and decision support. But in the 2010s era or in the 2090s, they were only used for the technological terms in terms of the engine and so software. But in this our era now, it's more kind of easy in the terms way that AI intelligence now in workplace can do virtually most of what human can do. Then workplace impact, transforming knowledge work, automating creative and administrative tasks, and rising productivity. Types of AI tools used in workplace. The first one is virtual assistants in terms of Siri, Alexa, then Google Assistants. You have AI writing tools and Grammarly, ChatGPT, and all these AI. charts, and writing tools. Then automatic software. We have UPATH, we have software, we still have one other accountable automation software for automation software, maybe in terms of Zipper. Then data analytic tools. We have Power BI, AI features, and Tabula. Then the AI powered CRM. We have Zoho, we have Esteem, we have CNForce, and the last one on this AI powered CRM force, we have the what we call the Purple account, which has been upgraded to the recent AI 4. But the Purple account is the first AI AI powered CRM, but it has now been updated. So from that Purple account is all these Zoho and other CRM software where we gain recovered from. Then benefit of AI tools on productivity. Number one is speed up repetitive tasks. For example, maybe we have one or two multiple tasks to do. We have some applications whereby some AI tools that can help to write meetings minutes in a meeting instead of putting down everything on a pen. So you can just apply that AI tools, then enhance decision making through data insight. Most of these AI tools that has been upgraded now actually good is actually good for decision making in terms of, for example, you are using chat GPT, asking ChatGPT a particular question, maybe in a particular location. Once is bring out from his own source idea, from your own personal source of idea, you can now come to a conclusion in terms of decision making from the AI tools. Then improve communication with smart tools. We can improve communication through all these AI smart tools in terms of maybe um, interrogating, uh, exchanging words on the some of these AI application tools, then reduce human errors. Most if let me say reduce human error in terms of getting a specific idea from AI tools in terms of the application type. Once everything is being in place in terms of maybe okay, let me use ChatGPT as an example. You can ask a ChatGPT maybe for a coding and stuff like that. Or maybe for a stepping from there, it's you can put you on a way that you can get your direct or you can use it to get your answer. So it reduces human sense of formality, then enables 24/7 availability. So most of these AI tools are available everywhere, is very accessible. Then reward application. Just like I said earlier, I cited some examples here. For example, one is automating customer support with chatbots. Um, there's this application, AI application that MTN uses, call it Z. So instead of the customer care responding, like giving back their response to you immediately, this thinking AI will just will be the one to reply you within seconds. So it release the customer support service to some extent and for them to work effectively. This also improve productivity. Then example two is enhancing content creating with AI writing. For example, you can get idea of how to write a particular content, a content maybe on any of these AI tools. Then the third example is optimizing sales pipeline with AI CRM. We have several AI CRM in terms of the sales pipeline, which you can put in the details of your clients, the details of the prospects, easy access, and part of it is the purple account, just as I said earlier, the CRM detail, which can keep a record of uh, your prospects, your clients, your staff, everything that concerns even HR. Then case study. The case study one says use of AI Google for data center energy savings. So most of these, what's it called? Most of, let me say Java, the Java, MTN, Glow, they uses most of, they apply most of these AI tools to store data and to save and to conserve energies and to conserve time in terms of productivity. Then case study two, uh, IBM working on in healthcare productivity. In terms of these AI tools, is mostly common on our Play Store. It's mostly used for all these health concern health issue applications. In terms of maybe um, there is this particular app that has been developed in terms of they call it diabolical palm. You can scan your palm from with your phone, then it will bring out your sugar level. So the aspect of using AI to sort such aspect of it also increases the level of productivity in any organization that is being used. Then challenges of using AI tools, data privacy and security concern. Not all of these AI tools are really safe in terms of keeping data, personal data, and in terms of keeping privacy of maybe um, of the client. In terms of the let me use the CRM model of AI. Not all the AI CRM are safe in terms of in terms of level, and because the saver ones you have to, let me say, subscribe, or you have to pay particular money for some of these AI CRM before you can have a full performance on them. And meanwhile, there are some that have just been created or been developed by a common developer just for the use. So some of them are really stable with data. Then dependence on AI system. At any time, most of these systems can crash. Most of these software systems can go offline or even misdirect. Then high initial investment costs. Just like I said earlier, most of these most of these AI needs to be subscribed to, unlike Oppo account. You want to use the Oppo account, which is an AI tool, you have at least close to 100,000 in a month, according to their subscription. So that not all organizations can leverage on investing on cost AI. Then resistance to change in organization. For example, in an organization where you are using Orbit before, and you want to change from Orbit, which is an AI tool for big organization. If you are using an Orbit for your storage before, and you want to change from that bit to an upgraded version of maybe of another developer, it surely costs more, and changing of information to always take time. So the resistance of changing organization from one AI to another, the passing of the information can be misleaded and cannot, most of them cannot be recovered. So how to minimize AI productivity benefits? The number one is train staff on AI tools, which some of us has already been putting us through during the course of the meeting. If we should learn some of these AI tools and how to use them properly, the productivity level at which um, each task will be carried out easily be very effective. Then start with small AI project. Um, For example, maybe you are looking on to use a particular AI tools, maybe in an organization. We can start with the one that we can see maybe use commonly that is still quite safe, rather than going for the higher that the organization does not really have the capacity to handle. So at least we can still minimize our productivity level by using the lower part of the small AI that we have in our capacity to improve the productivity level as well. Then integrate AI with its existing system. For example, now maybe we are using Orbit. Let me use Orbit as an operating system that we are using, let me say, in our organization. So if we are using Orbit, we want to integrate uh, our AI, is still particular, we still use some AI tools accounting to the CRM and to the HR teams, which can really work faster with the Orbit aspect of the co-system for any organization. But we are using any uh, system, operating system that is higher than that of Orbit, is which we need to increase the integrate of AI to use to support. So it's far better to be a 16, which is quite faster and which is quite effective. Then the last one is continuously monitor each tools. So most of the tools that we use, some requires updating them. So in terms of the information, at times the manufacturing key code can change at times. So we need some update on them too as well. So the future of AI and workplace productivity. Then number one is increase personalization of AI tools. Then the second is have collaboration between human and machine. Then the third one is growth of low codes and no codes tools. So if you are using an AI that requires regular updating or coding, so we need to improve more on the coding terms for the integration of such AI, or if not to back down in terms of giving us the productive the what we needed from such AI tools. Then in conclusion, AI is not a replacement, but a productivity partner. In this, most people in organization nowadays tends to be using AI much than than comparing or using it with um, intelligence. So most people have already replaced AI with their working stuff and everything. But that's why I said AI is not a replacement, but a productivity partner which can help us, guide us to achieve what we want in terms of our productivity level. The second one is strategic leads to greater outcome. If we strategize properly on our AI model, surely leads to better outcome productivity. AI is a powerful driver of productivity. Uh, Success depends on strategic implementation. Stay updated, adapt, and learn to use AI tools. So this brings to the end of my presentation this afternoon. So I don't know if anybody have one or two questions to ask.